we're going to have a good look at this head bolt here. It's busted off. Trying to get it lit up as good as possible. It's kind of difficult to do for some reason. Try this. There we go. I don't know why it's doing that, but anyway, that's about as good as I can get it lit up. It's busted off clean. I'm going to weld it. Got everything buttoned up real nice here. We're going to weld it and see how it looks. Alright, well, I got that thing all welded up. We'll see how it goes. Maybe it'll bust off. Maybe it'll come out. We'll see how it goes. Alright, well, it seems to have worked very good. Let me pull this thing out, and it's really hot. But I was able to get it on the first try. Oops. Really, really hot. Get a different pair of pliers here. There we are. Dang it. Come on out of there, you little rascal. Just can't get it with my fingers because it's so hot. So there we are. Let's see. There we go. Now that's a busted head bolt. I'll go up to the dealer. There we go. I'll go up to the dealer and I'll get a new one. That's what it looks like when you weld a nut onto a busted off bolt. Let me see if I can find the one that came off of it. Okay, so that's the head that's supposed to be on there. It busted off and got wedged in between the valve spring and wedged down in there. So I got it out. I sure am happy I got it out. I'm going to get a new head bolt and stick that sucker in there. You have a good day.